Hey everybody, so I wanted to hop on here real quick and talk a little bit about FinCEN and the Corporate Transparency Act and actually show you how to do a filing. It's fairly easy to do yourself. Now, whether or not you're required to file, obviously go check out my blog. It'll give you some parameters there. If you are a small business in the United States, you are probably required to file. So there are some exceptions. Feel free to check that out or give us a call if you're not sure. But I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to actually do the filing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here to BOI efiling.fincen.gov. We're going to come down to file, BOIR, okay? What you're going to want before you start this is a PDF of your driver's license or your passport, if that's what you're submitting. You can file either paper or online. For this, I'm going to just show you how to do it online. So we just got to go ahead and click that. We are going to do a dummy one because obviously I'm not going to put all my information on the internet, but I'll put some of it on here. So we are filing an initial report, okay? Because my law firm existed prior to January 1 of 2024. So this is an initial report. I've never filed a report and I am not an exempt entity. So it will autofill the date. There is a notice down here that you should probably read. And then you hit next and we go to reporting company. So request to receive FinCEN ID. So this is an ID that you can get if you are wanting to have a FinCEN ID instead of reporting information on the documents. I can do another tutorial on that. Right now, I'm not going to do that and you're not required to do that. So I'm not going to click that. My reporting company name, I'm just going to put my reporting company name in there. It's Grabby Law Office LLC. I don't have any DBAs, trade names, anything like that. Tax identification number, we're going to use the EIN and we're just going to make one up. And then we are going down here to country, jurisdiction of formation. I was formed in the United States. I am domestic. I was formed in Kansas. And we're going to come down to the address of my law firm. See, oh, whoops, United States down here, Kansas here, 7667, oops, just kidding, a 1. We're gonna go next. Then we're already halfway through. Existing reporting companies. Check if you are existing reporting company as of January 1, 2024. So did you exist before this date? Yes. If so, it's going to tell you that company applicants field will be cleared or disabled. Do you wish to continue? Yes, I do, because as an entity that was formed before January 1 of 2024, I am not required to report on applicants. So I get to skip this part. I just report on beneficial owners. Okay. So we come on down here. And I could put myself in there, I suppose, if I wanted to, because I was also the applicant. Beneficial owner number 1. So are you a beneficial owner? Again, if you're not sure if you're a beneficial owner, please go read the blog, call an attorney, call me, find out whether or not you are a beneficial owner. If you are and you have a FinCEN ID, we talked about that a second ago, you can put your FinCEN in here. If you are exempt, put it in here if you fall under one of the 23 exemptions. And if you're not sure, consult with an attorney, figure out if you are exempt or not. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put our information in here. So, ooh, that's not my last name. And my date of birth, we're going to say it's 01/01/1977. I was not a New Year's baby. Residential address is 123 Flamingo Street. Sounds good. I am making this up. You can send me email here if you want, but I will not get it. So identifying document type. So this is, what am I submitting to FinCEN? Am I submitting my state issued driver's license, my tribe ID, my state ID, my passport, foreign passport? So we're going to indicate that. We put in the ID number that is listed on your ID. Where did I get it from? The United States of America, from Kansas. And then we're going to upload that. Okay, so we're going to upload that right here. It'll take a JPEG or a PDF. I didn't really try anything else. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and you're going to put in your beneficial owner information report. So you're going to put your email in here. And your email in here. And you're going to certify that you're authorized to file the BOIR on behalf of the reporting company. So that could be you as the owner. It could be anyone that you authorize in your company to do that, your assistant, an employee, and it could be also a professional that you hire, an accountant, an attorney, that kind of good stuff. Something is required that I screwed up. First name is required. That's funny. That looks like my first name. Okay. Let's try that. Okay, so that means that I didn't fill something out here. We're going to just pause our recording and fix it. Okay, so I fixed it. I'm going to agree. Compliance reminder. I'm going to indicate that I'm human here. We're going to put polar bears in for the algorithm or the security CAPTCHA thing. And then you're going to hit submit. Now, I'm not going to hit submit because I don't want to willfully report a false thing here. But what it's going to do is it's going to give you a really nice receipt, and that receipt's going to have a number on it. And so that receipt's going to have your status as filing successful. It's going to give you a BOIR ID, so the ID for your report. It's going to give you the date and time you did it, and then it's also going to submit a printout on that report. It's about a 3-page report as all the information that you entered on the form. So you will get that. You will save that in your corporate documents, indicating that you have done it. This is a one-time thing unless you need to update it. So when you have a change in beneficial owner, you're going to have to update this. But you don't have to annually file this. So that is one thing to know. If you have questions about the Corporate Transparency Act, whether you're a beneficial owner, how to file, whether you're a reporting company, go to my blog, grabbylaw.com/grabbyblog. I have an article up that is helpful. And if you have any questions, also feel free to reach out to our office at 785-621-4711, schedule an appointment with me, or you can hit up my website and get on my scheduler that way. So I hope everybody has a good day. I hope this was informative. A little update on the Corporate Transparency Act. Thanks.